At AIHM in CT, we start the change with a simple word and a smile. Hi.
Wanna come to find a purpose,
To adapt.
to make a new home.
To make new friends.
To succeed.
Army Institute of Hotel Management is one of the well-established hotel management school in India run by Army Channel of Administrations. We provide degree which is approved by All India Council of Technical Education.
The Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology has been established under the aegis of the Army Welfare Education Society in 1996 to create a platform for the children of defense personnel who are desirous to pursue a career in the hospitality industry.
My journey of 4 years has been really fruitful in this college. After I completed my schooling, I knew I had to pursue hotel management. And I knew that AIHM was just the right place for that. Throughout the journey of 4 years, I have acquired skills, etiquettes and mannerisms that only a true gentleman could possess. I would also like to give my credits to this institution for providing me with excellent placement opportunities. I personally have been recommended for the OCLE program by the Oberoi Group, one of the most prestigious programs in India. When I came to this college, I was merely a boy with no clarity of vision. But now, I am walking out as a man with a drive for success.
College has provided us with the best labs, computer labs, housekeeping lab and front office lab. We have functional restaurants, basic training kitchen, advanced training kitchen and bakery. We have the best studio kitchen in India. We have invited the celebrity chef to impart their knowledge with us. We also do the live streaming also.
Life is a journey full of challenges, and sometimes it can be a challenge to make a decision.
Namaskar, I will become an executive chef.
Sat Shri Akal. I will be a front office manager.
Swacha, I will join the aviation industry.
Namaskar Allarigu. I will become a bartender.
I will be a service manager.
Ellarkum namaskaram. I'll work on the cruise lines.
Assalamu alaikum. I will be the best sales manager.
Hi, our journey starts here.